Sunday, August 4th, 2024. 18th Sunday in Ordinary Time, Day of Diocesan Clergy. Focus. It is the bread that the Lord has given you to eat. After attending a retreat, most of us realize that it is not right to take bribes, claim medical expenses using fake receipts, sign attendance, but play truant, etc. And we change for the better. But when we miss the easy money we once enjoyed or find it tedious to work hard, do we grumble like the Israelites did after leaving Egypt? Jesus did not say that virtuousness would be easy. Instead, he told us to take up our cross and follow him. Apart from life's many trials, striving to resist the enticements of the world is our cross. If our mind is fixed on the trials and temptations, we will probably complain. Bread is considered the most basic food. In the Old Testament, God gave the Israelites manna each morning. In the New Testament, Jesus called himself the bread of life and the true bread from heaven. When we make an effort to receive this bread for who he is, in faith, daily we feed our body, soul, and spirit with the real presence of God. The Day of Diocesan Clergy reminds us to pray for our priests who give us Jesus through the Word of God and in Holy Communion. Fruit. I will strive to participate in the daily Eucharistic celebration and receive Jesus, the bread of life, in the Word and in flesh.